Welcome everyone, Mike with Bowers Barbecue, coming to you today from my backyard. Now, all over my barbecue Facebook groups, I'm seeing 0 to 400 chicken wings, especially on a pellet grill. If you don't know what that is, basically you put the wings on the cold grill, start it up, let it get to 400, and cook them to an internal temperature between 165 and 185. So we're gonna try that today. That's not very different from the way I normally cook chicken wings. We're going to cook them at 225 for about an hour, then bump up the temperature to 350 to crisp them up. So I'm kind of curious how this plays out. But first, we got to start the fire. Now today's video is more about the method than it is the recipe, but I am going to use my all-time favorite rub, this Meat Church Holy Gospel. Man, for wings, this is my absolute go-to. We're going to sprinkle this pretty heavily here. We want to use enough Meat Church product here that Matt Pittman can go buy a new smoker. This stuff is good. Well, I enjoy most of the Meat Church line. Absolutely my favorite. Holy Voodoo is another good wing rub as well. All right, pretty good coating on these wings. We're gonna let this set for about 10 minutes. Then we'll get it on the bullseye. All right, I greased down the grate just a little bit, but this grill is cold as can be. These chicken wings down. All right, chicken wings are on the grill. Let's get this started. We're trying the Recteq. Now, as I've mentioned before, my Recteq runs a little hot, about 25 to 50 degrees. So we're gonna set this to 375. That should just put us around 400 to 425 on these wings. All right, as you can see, the Recteq's getting going. We got a little bit of that white smoke. Now, some people say on a pellet grill, you wanna let that white smoke evaporate or clear out before you put the meat on. Stick burner, charcoal pit, I would agree with that. Not saying it's right or wrong, but on a pellet grill, I don't really get much difference on that. So this 0 to 400 method actually relies on that. So you get a bit more of the smoke flavor into the chicken wings. So at this point, I'm not worried about that white smoke. I know it'll clear out here soon enough. That temperature will get to 400 degrees and start crisping up those wings. All right, well, the grill's coming to temp. I want to remind you guys to follow me on Instagram. I cook all the time. I don't necessarily film it. So if you want to see what I'm doing in between videos, be sure to follow me at Bowers Barbecue on Instagram. Also, if you're finding value in my content, give my videos a big thumbs up. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it really helps out the channel in getting the videos out there. Definitely appreciate it. Waiting for those chicken wings to cook. It's bacon week at my local grocery store. We got some chocolate covered bacon. It's pretty good. Never had it. I'm gonna give it a try. I want you guys to see my expression. It's not bad. It's very salty, of course, because it's bacon. A little fatty piece I got into. That chocolate, a little bit of bitterness kind of offsets it. A little sweetness. I like it. Not too bad at all. All right, grill is at 400 degrees. I'm gonna check this out. These are looking pretty good. I'm gonna flip them over. All right, wings have been on for really only about 30 minutes. Not too bad at all. Let's go ahead and temp them. About 175. I like to do mine about 185 on wings. Give them just a few more minutes. All right, it's been another 5 minutes. Let's take a look. God, these look beautiful. Yeah, 185, we're good. Before I take these off, I want to show y'all how great these things look. These look so amazing. All right, I'm gonna let them rest. We'll do a taste test. All right, so these wings came out looking pretty good. Check a look at that. That is awesome looking wing. So they have a taste. Very, very flavorful. That Holy Gospel wins again. Not as crispy as I thought they would be, but absolutely amazing flavor. While this is an excellent chicken wing, I think I like my old way better. I think it's much better to do 225 for about an hour, then bump it up to about 400 and finish it off. This is good, but I like my way better. Okay, like I said, I like my way better. Again, my way is 225 for about an hour, then bump it to 400 and crisp them up. This 0 to 400 method isn't bad. It's still a pretty good chicken wing. We still have our preferences. Let me know in the comments below if you like the 0 to 400 method, and let me know what you think. I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you don't miss a single video. Ring that notification bell. Y'all have a great week. The fire is out.